Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverados. This one is based off of the RST trim level, and it's also equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. You'll also notice this particular truck has a custom paint job finished off in a matte orange to give it a really clean look. Let's go ahead and start up front where we have the custom Rocky Ridge grille. This also has a really nice 20-inch LED light bar in the lower section. You'll see the amber lights up top, along with more of the bodywork running right through the center. Of course, this model has LED headlights. We have a carbon fiber-like material right in the center, and then the turn signals are just below that. You'll also see air inlets on the inside of these fender flares to help provide better aerodynamics. And then down below, we have two tow hooks along with the LED fog lights and a lower air dam. And then up top, you can see the black stripe running down the center of the hood just to give it a cool look. So let's go ahead and work our way to the side profile now, where you'll see we have these oversized pocket style fender flares, of course finished off in that matte orange. And this model also has the Rocky Ridge 6-inch lift kit. So to accommodate that lift, we have a really nice set of 22-inch wheels. They have a 5 double spoke design to them, finished off in black and wrapped in a 35-inch tire. You'll see just behind that we have the Rocky Ridge K2 badge, and then being a lifted truck, we need an easy way to enter and exit this vehicle. So we have the amp powered running boards. You'll see them deploy when you open up the door, and of course they'll retract when you close the door to give it a clean look. And then making your way towards the rear, you'll see the same fender flare along with the wheel and tire setup. And then making our way to the rear end of the Silverado, we have the custom painted bumper along with the integrated side steps. You can see the Gibson exhaust with the nicely integrated exhaust tips in the lower section of the bumper. We also have Chevrolet stamped through the center of the tailgate along with the Rocky Ridge badge. And this tailgate also has the easy open and close feature. So with a push of a button, you can automatically open this up. We have the really nice bed liner. To give it better protection, you can also see all the tie downs as well. And then on the right side, we have a power outlet. This also has the easy close, as I mentioned. So with the push of a button, you can automatically close it up. Making our way to the interior now of our Silverado, let's start off with these custom Rocky Ridge seats. You'll see they're finished off in leather. We have the white badge embroidered up in the headrest, along with the diamond stitching running down the inserts. These are also heated seats as well. And you'll see that leather continues onto the center armrest along with more stitching. If we go ahead and open this up, we have a lockable safe, so you can place any items in there if you'd like to and have them safely secured. This model also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have a really nice user-friendly touchscreen system here, and you'll see there's more leather surrounding all of this. It's also on the heated steering wheel as well. And then you'll see there's more wood trim surrounding parts of the interior to give it a great look. We also have the custom Rocky Ridge gauge cluster, so you'll see that spell out underneath the speedometer and the tach. And then last up, this has a sunroof. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, you'll see the switch for the LED light bar that I showed earlier. This model also has power adjustments for the front seats. And then being the full crew cab, we have plenty of space for the rear seat passengers, where you'll see these seats are finished off in leather with the same stitching that you saw up front. We also have a compartment in the middle of the seat, so it's great for extra storage. And then you can also fold up the bottoms of the seat to give you a lot more interior storage if you need it. And we have these compartments here where you can separate items if you don't want them to roll away. And then we also have some nice amenities like 2 air vents, along with cup holders. There's a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. All right, so getting our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado out on the road now, the first thing that I want to cover is the fact that this truck comes with the speedometer recalibration. So with the oversized tires, you don't have to worry about that. Driving this right off the lot, it is ready to go. But let's go ahead now, take a listen to this exhaust. It sounds really good and beefy for this truck. Being a lifted truck with all the aggressive lines that it has on the outside, you definitely want an exhaust that matches it. And it sounds really good. Cruising at a normal speed, it's not very loud, so it's going to be comfortable to daily drive this truck. And with these oversized tires as well, it provides you with a nice smooth ride. They're not loud, you can barely hear them, there's no wind noise or road noise. And the fact that with this lift kit and the oversized tires, this rides and drives just like a factory Silverado. So you know you're getting a well put together kit. This truck has a warranty as well, so it's backed by Chevrolet and by Rocky Ridge, and you're definitely going to have fun driving this truck. On the interior here, as you already saw in today's video, we have a really nice setup with all this leather. I love the stitching. We have the screen as well that gives you a lot of information that you can go through. And there's also a lot of interior space, as you've seen, along with the area and the bed, so you can throw anything back there that you'd like to. And then coming around another turn here, like I said earlier, it handles just like a stock or a factory Silverado. So coming through some of these twisties here, it handles really well for a lifted truck. So there's a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. Definitely an awesome truck. It has a lot to offer, and especially being finished off in this custom matte orange, it gives it a great look. So if you'd like to schedule your test drive to get this out on the road for yourself, you can check out all of our contact information down in the description below.